Hair flip. We are going to start by finding a spot on the ceiling. The spot is not above your head. The spot is in a diagonal in front of your head. Reason being is because when you flip your head, if you flip your head all the way here, you could potentially stagger and fall back. Especially if you're in heels, think about that. So your spot is at an X in front of you. I'm gonna turn in the same direction to give you an idea. My X would be here, not here. I want you to stand with your feet a little bit staggered, and you're gonna place a hand on either thigh. I want you to bring your head down and bring your hair in front of your face for practice. You are going to flip your head up and look at that spot. Let's try that again. You're going to lean backwards. You're going to hinge at the hips. Don't forget to hinge at the hips. You're going to hinge at the hips. Hinge. Bring your hair forward so it's in front of your face for practice. Your hands are on your thighs for some support, and flip. And that is your hair flip. I want you to when you do the hair flip, think about your hair coming back all the way around. The hair flip can be done with long hair, medium hair, short hair, okay? I want you to think about that because you can flip your head all over the place. You don't have to have a lot of hair. I'll put on a wig, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna do that one more time to the other side. So where's your spot? Here, you're gonna lean down and flip, and come on up.